This Independence Day, we reaffirm our commitment to the three values that define us: trust, value, and service.
Three colors, three promises. 1.
Bharat, moving forward. Trust. Every kilometer, every passenger. 116 years of TVS spirit, serving Ashok, Leyland, and Switch customers across Delhi NC. R. Value. Lower running costs, higher uptime, honest deals. Value that keeps earning. Service. When a vehicle stops, we show up, standing by every operator, always. TVS Trucks and Buses, Delhi NCR. Trust, value, service. 116 years of serving Bharat. Happy Independence Day 2026.